Welcome to Asking Scary. In this video, we will learn how to install a vulnerable web application on Kali Linux or Ubuntu Linux. We are going to use OWASP's Juice Shop web application, and we are going to install on Docker. So first, you need to log into your virtual machine, and then you are going to open a terminal. On your terminal, you need to type these commands. So first, you're just going to update the package repository list and install Docker. And do sudo apt update, hit enter. Now we are going to install Docker, typing in sudo apt install -y docker.io. We are done installing Docker. Now we can use this command to test whether Docker is installed correctly on our Linux. We can type Docker dash dash version, and we can see this version over here. Next, we are going to use the install Docker application to pull the OWASP Juice Shop container from the online Docker Hub repository. So we are going to type this, clear the terminal, sudo docker pull / juice shop and just hit enter. You can see the download and setup process of the OWASP juice shop Docker container. Now we are going to use the command to run the OWASP juice shop Docker container on port 3000. So we type, clear the terminal again, and we're going to type sudo docker run -rm -p 3000 on 3000. And just hit enter. And our web application started at port 3000 on our local host. So we can open a browser and type in localhost colon 3000. We type in localhost colon 3000 and we are able to access our juice shop. And if you want to stop Docker, you can use this command. We are going to open terminal in another tab, and I'm just going to open a new tab and type in sudo systemctl stop Docker, and we need to type sudo systemctl disable Docker. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Security. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.